Hey everybody, welcome to the week 2 highlights. This week we learned about the war with Mexico, and I wanted to show you some of the great work that I received. I'm going to go into present mode. Let's take a look. All right, Anthony did a nice job in the warm-up using call-outs to identify some of the images in the painting. I particularly like how he showed the Native Americans being driven off their land, and he identified a cabin over on the right that I had never seen before. So nice job, Anthony. Amanda used big circles for her call outs. I particularly like how she shows that these men, they look different. They look different than the other people. Why is that? Well, you're going to find that out in week 3 because those guys are prospectors. They're heading west to look for gold. In Riley's analysis, he points out that the woman is holding a Bible. I wonder if it is a Bible, and why would she be holding a Bible? Or could the book represent something else? He also shows that the woman is holding the telegraph lines, that by heading west, she's also bringing technology. And you'll notice that one side of the painting is light, one side is dark. So as she's bringing technology, she might be lighting the way to the west. Riley also did a nice job in his BBB at comparing Sullivan's quote and Gas. I particularly like when he wrote that America is our future. The expansive future is in our arena. And then he goes on and elaborates, says this means. So that type of analysis is great. That this means that because it is our arena and history, we can do what we like. Yeah, in a way we can. I like how Hannah, who had a little extra time on her hands, decided to color code it. I like the colors. I'm not sure what they represent, but I just like them. But then she left me hanging. She says the woman is holding, I don't know what she's holding. So she should have gone on and told me what the woman was holding. But Hannah makes up for it with this killer analysis. First of all, she writes, to begin with, the message in Gas painting shows that God wants Americans to expand west. And then she explains, to explain the painting shows an angel. That's right. That was probably guiding all the settlers west. And then she follows up by saying, similarly, part of Sullivan's quote. So she's showing both. And then at the end, I like her conclusion where he says, America is destined to expand. He also states that America won't be stopped. These are very good pieces of analysis. Nice job, Hannah. And Ashley does a nice job too in her BBB when she points out, first of all, she does a good job of attribution. Remember that when you pull a quote from something, you need to tell me where the quote came from. And she shows that. Additionally, she writes, to clarify, he is stating that God wants them to expand, which is also Gas' message, because that's represented with the angel. So a real simple comparison was that the angel in the painting and the fact that O'Sullivan refers to providence or God's will. Nice comparison. Good job, Ashley. And this one by Melody does a nice job too. She also talks about providence or God's reason for wanting them to settle. Sandy does a nice job in her explanation, the message you think Gas was trying to convey. And she's the one who points out the light and the dark. And she explains why the dark is maybe savage and unknown, and the light is bringing this new vision or this new technology. So nice job, Sandy. And in her BBB, she does a nice job too. It says, to explain, he was trying to convey the idea that if we are going to be successful and powerful, then we would need enough land for the citizens and the population. Great analysis. And then at the end, she says, to clarify, he's explained that the first step to achieve greatness and prosperity is to expand west. She concludes again by saying that Gas and Sullivan both believe that manifest destiny will bring out the best. Dulcie does a nice job too, although her analysis contradicts the things that we've